Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Veyeslash DIY tutorial right here. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve this gorgeous natural sultry cheeky and voluminous natural looking DIY lashes like. So yeah, a lot of you guys requested that I show you guys how to achieve a simple, natural looking DIY lash like. So I thought, why not? So yeah, for today's look, I'm going to be using one of my favorite lash brand, DIY lash brand by Veyeslash. You guys already know how I love this brand lashes. Their products are really amazing. So the first step is to apply your uh, lash glue. So yeah, I applied each lashes from the back of my lash. How do I say it? I started by using the 16 first, if that makes sense, then followed by 14, and then the last one that I'm showing you guys now is 12. So I didn't go double up, like I didn't go over it like I did the last time, because some of you guys requested like a beginner friendly type of look. So if you are a beginner and you want to start like slowly, or you're a very slow learner, so it's, if I may say, then you apply the each layers one after the other. But if you think you're confident or comfortable enough to go with extra layer for more voluminous look, then you feel free to place another lashes underneath the previous one, but make sure it's the same length. For example, from the back I started with 16 so if I want to double up the back or give it a more voluminous look, then I have to place 16 underneath 16 and 14 underneath 14 if that makes sense. So that's the way to, double up your lashes. And yeah, that one is refusing to go, so I just pushed it up and voila, that was it. Voila, that was it. It's popping. Like, I love the quality of their lashes, and you guys already noticed how easy it is to apply their lashes, and their glue is really amazing. All the lashes were there for very long time. I'm still wearing them as I speak anyway, and it's almost a week right now. So yeah, I use the top coat to seal in the lashes. They're going nowhere, trust me. I have been using their product for a while, and I can categorically tell you that these lashes are going nowhere. That's it. 5 minutes beginner friendly DIY lash tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys understand better and how to apply your DIY lashes at home. Ditch the salon. Don't go out there and pay expensive fee. They have the best lash glue ever, and they have the best lash, top quality, trust me, top quality lashes. So you don't have to go to the salon. Bring the salon home, like their statement. You would definitely love them when you buy their products. Bye guys. Hi guys, we are back. So this is the finished look. I am loving this natural vibe to these lashes, and you can barely tell if they were actually artificial lashes. They look so natural. Look at that. Very flattering, very voluminous, and at the same time I am feeling the length as well. Look at that guys. I love this. You can actually achieve this look in less than 5 minutes guys, depending on you and depending on how quick you are, or if you're a beginner then yeah, but if you're like a pro at this, trust me, 5 minutes you are done. But even as a beginner, all you need to do is just place the lashes exactly where you apply the glue. Very simple, very straightforward. And I think I actually prefer this to strip lashes, because I've actually tried the VI lashes before and I love their glue. This could actually stay on my eyes for like weeks depending on how I maintain it. because I remember my last review of their lashes, I actually wore that for 2 weeks. I ended up, you know, taking them out by myself. Like, I really love their lashes. I love their glue. I love the quality of their lashes is really good, and the quality of their glue is amazing. Like, I don't have any irritation on my eyes or anything like that. As you can tell, there's no redness on my eyes or anything of such. So zero irritation to your eyes in terms of their glue, and also in terms of their lashes. It's the best when it comes to quality. So yeah, look at that. Very natural, very simple, and very easy to apply. You can actually go for more depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. You can actually go for more if you want, but I just want that natural, voluminous, sultry, you know, cheeky lashes today. So that's exactly what I went for. I love it. I really love it. So I started with the long length first, and then to the shorter length, and then ended with the shorter length. So depending on what length you're going for, but bear in mind that they actually have different types of lengths on their website, so depending on the look you're going for. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys some of the things I had in the box. This is a gorgeous package in the packaging, so I'm going to show you guys what is actually in the box. Oh, we've got the lash cleaning kit, right, and then we've got this little kit right here. I'm just gonna see. Oh, this is so cute, and you've got your spool in this gorgeous little cute, you know, tube like so. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. That is really cute. I like that. Very cheeky as well. Look at that. I can just like whoop, whoop, whoop. I really like that. Let's quickly open this kit because we don't want this video to be too long, so we have to be as quick as possible. Oh, so you also have your brush in the cleaning kit, full cleaning kit. But feel free to check out their website, and don't forget the fact that you can actually get 10% off using Lillian 10 at checkout. So yeah, check that out. So that's what the cleaning kit looks like. Another thing we've got in the packaging is the lash kit right here, guys. You guys already know that I'm a huge fan of this lash kit, guys. It has 30 pieces of lashes. Like, check out my recent video, you notice that I have been using this lashes for makeup tutorials, for hair reviews, for all sorts of videos on my channel. So I am a huge fan of this lash kit. So another thing we've got in the packaging are these individual lashes, and we also have the cluster lashes remover, and we have the cluster lashes sealer top coats, and we also have the cluster lashes glue. So those are the 3 items right here. You definitely need this if you are into DIY lashes, and yeah, you want to easily remove your lashes without damaging them. And these are definitely must have for you guys, especially if you want that glue that is going to keep your lashes in place. And if you also need a lash remover that will take off your lashes without damaging them, then I highly recommend their lash remover. They're really good and very affordable. One of the least item in the packaging is this lash keys as well. I'm going to zoom that in for you guys. About their packaging is always giving me that excitement and butterflies. They always pay attention to details when it comes to the quality of their lashes, their packaging, their shipping. Everything about this brand is A+ for me. Like, there is no doubt about that. Everything about this brand is always top notch, like A+ for me. I'm always impressed with their presentation and their packaging, everything about the brand. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what these packaging looks like. In the lashes in this packaging is really cute and very natural, so if you like that natural lash type of look, then this is definitely for you. DIY lashes. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products one by one. For now, I'm just going to quickly show you guys the products in the package. So I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's 3 of these DIY lashes right here, and then we've got 1 of this lash right here, I've never tried these ones before. These are quite interesting. I'm definitely going to be trying them. Some lash tape. It looks like so. Oh guys, you need this in your life. Look at that. I'm going to show you guys in a separate video. So would I really recommend these lashes? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend that you guys check out their website. In terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the quality of their products, it's definitely AA plus for me. And I really want to say a huge thank you to you guys for all the positive feedback in regards to the previous video that I made for this brand. I'm so glad that you guys love them and were able to tell me to make a, natural tutorial for you guys. And yeah, here it is, and I hope you like it. And next time, the video I'm going to be filming in regards to this DIY lashes is going to be a very full voluminous one, and I hope you guys would like and enjoy as always. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys so much for all your support. Don't forget to use my code for 10% off your shopping at their website. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.